Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a toy review of Jurassic World Dominion Minis, the blind box. As you can see, you get the collector's guide of all the dinosaurs you get. And I have the Quetzalcoatlus and the Gallimimus. As you can see, the wings of the Quetzalcoatlus can actually move up and down, and you get this beautiful Gallimimus. See, that's what the Gallimimus looks like. And as you can see, that's what the Quetzalcoatlus looks like. And I bought this in 2022 at Toys R Us in Port Elizabeth, South Africa. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and please share the links to my videos. And if toy companies want to contact me, my email is in the link in the description below. Thank you. Bye.